What's up YouTube? Son from Barbershop Tag Along here. I thought it would be fun to actually do a tag tutorial. So in this video I will teach you a short tag, and then in the end of the video I will of course play you the full tag for you to listen to. This is a new idea I'm trying out, so please let me know in the comments if this is something you would like to see more of in the future. The tag we're going to learn today is super cool, it's short, it's called Here We Are Again, and it's written by Jake Tickner. The lyrics goes like this. Here we are again, falling back in love. Okay, let's start with the lead. Starts on 1. Here we are again, falling back in love. Bass starts on 1 as well. Here we are again, falling back in love. Tenor starts on 3. Here we are again, falling back in love. And there's a nice dissonance right there on falling between the lead and tenor. It's so nice. Please enjoy it when you sing it. Okay, so one more to go, and that is baritone. It starts on 5. Here we are again, falling back in love. Alright, so that is the 4 parts to this wonderful tag written by Jake Tickner. Before we listen to the full tag, please leave a like and subscribe if you like the content that I make. See you next week. Here we are again.